Life is busy, but smart home gadgets make it effortless. From hands-free trash cans to mirrors that double as screens, these tools bring convenience to the next level. Here are 10 genius smart home gadgets you'll wish you found sooner. Number 10. Town UT1 Smart Trash Can, $40. Nobody enjoys taking out the trash, but the Town UT1 Smart Trash Can makes it completely effortless. This self-sealing, self-changing gadget locks in odors, swaps the bag automatically, and resets itself with a single touch. Its motion sensor lid opens silently, keeping your hands clean, while the cordless, rechargeable battery lasts up to 50 days. With a refill ring that holds 25 durable bags, it fits perfectly in any kitchen or home office. Number 9. Delamu Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer, $33.99. Cluttered cabinets are a thing of the past. The Delamu Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer expands from 11.8 inches to 19.7 inches and slides smoothly for easy access to all your items. It's a tool-free system, so there's no drilling or installation stress. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or pantries, it helps maximize storage space while keeping everything neat and organized. From spices and snacks to toiletries, this gadget transforms cabinets into functional, accessible storage zones, making daily life easier and more efficient without taking up extra space. Number 8. Dyson 360 VizNav Robot Vacuum, $400. Cleaning your home has never been this futuristic. The Dyson 360 VizNav is a robot vacuum with double the suction power of competitors, 360-degree navigation, and 26 sensors that map your entire home. Its brush bar captures dust, pet hair, and long strands without tangling, while HEPA filtration traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns. Controlled via the Dyson app, you can set schedules, no-go zones, and adjust suction power. Number 7. Supai 6-port USB-C charging station, $29.99. The Supai 6-port USB-C charging station is a game-changer for any tech-savvy household. It charges up to 6 devices simultaneously, including fast USB-C ports, while providing dedicated docks for your Apple Watch and AirPods. No more tangled cords or messy desks. Everything is charged in one centralized spot, making your workspace clean and organized. Perfect for families, home offices, or anyone juggling multiple devices. This hub ensures that all gadgets are powered up and ready to go without the chaos of scattered chargers and cables. Number 6. SwitchBot Lock Ultra, $179.99. Say goodbye to fumbling with keys. The SwitchBot Lock Ultra is a keyless smart lock that recognizes your face, fingerprints, or app commands instantly with a false match rate below 0.00001%. It's precise and secure. Drill-free installation makes it easy to mount on any door, while triple power protection ensures it works in extreme conditions. Compatible with Apple Watch, Alexa, Google, and HomeKit, it integrates seamlessly with your smart home. It's not just a lock, it's next-level home security that's fast, reliable, and convenient. Number 5. Gaiatop Fabric Shaver, $9.99. Keep clothes, couches, and bedding looking fresh with the Gaiatop Fabric Shaver. This rechargeable gadget comes with a digital display, 3-speed settings, and a large lint catcher, making it super easy to remove fuzz, pills, and lint. It works on sweaters, blankets, upholstered furniture, and more, bringing fabrics back to life in minutes. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for quick touch-ups or full fabric refreshes. With the Gaiatop Fabric Shaver, maintaining your home and wardrobe has never been so satisfying, practical, or efficient. Number 4. ThinCast Smart Mirror, $1,049. Why settle for an ordinary mirror when you can have one that's a fully connected digital hub? The ThinCast Smart Mirror streams music, news, and apps directly to your reflection while keeping a sleek, elegant design. Screen mirror your smartphone, watch tutorials, or check the stock market while you get ready. With built-in speakers and Wi-Fi, it's perfect for multitasking in your bathroom or dressing room. When you're done, sleep mode returns it to a flawless accent mirror, keeping your space minimal and stylish. Number 3. SwitchBot Blind Tilt, $59.99. Stop manually adjusting blinds every day. SwitchBot Blind Tilt automates your old blinds with precision, up to 2 degrees using a high-accuracy motor. Solar-powered with a built-in battery, it never needs charging. A light sensor allows it to automatically adjust throughout the day, controlling sunlight, reducing glare, and saving energy. Schedule it to open or close even when you're away, keeping your home bright, comfortable, and private. Number 2. Electric Composter, $289. Turn your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer in just 3 hours. The electric composter dries, grinds, and cools food waste, reducing it by up to 90%, all while remaining odor-free thanks to a carbon filter. Sleek and countertop-friendly, it's a futuristic, eco-friendly appliance for modern kitchens. Loading is simple, operation is automated, and even cleaning is hassle-free with a dishwasher-safe bucket. Sustainable living has never been this stylish or convenient. This gadget turns waste into value and makes composting as easy as pressing a button. Number 1. Rory Portable Charger with built-in cables, $30. Never run out of battery again with the RORRY Portable Charger. Compact, travel-friendly, and equipped. With built-in charging cables for iPhone and Apple Watch, this mini power bank keeps devices charged wherever you go. The keychain hook makes it easy to carry bags, belts, or backpacks, making it perfect for travel, work, or emergencies. Its compact design hides powerful capabilities so you can charge multiple devices on the move. Which one of these gadgets would you put in your home first? The self-cleaning trash can, smart, mirror, or maybe the futuristic toilet? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you love this video, smash that like button and subscribe.